Many legal experts are giving prosecutors poor grades for their conduct of the case, and they're predicting that Zimmerman is likely to be acquitted as a result. And that has led to worries about possible civil unrest in cities across the country and here in central Indiana. Our TV6 reporter Norman Cox looks at those concerns here.
Experts and lay people we've talked with today believe Zimmerman will be found not guilty, and they largely blame prosecutors.
Indianapolis criminal defense attorney Jack Crawford says Zimmerman is winning because the prosecution did such a dreadful job. He says Zimmerman was overcharged, that prosecutors made a huge mistake showing a recording of Zimmerman explaining what happened, which allowed him to get his version on record without being cross-examined. And he criticizes prosecutor Bernie De La Rianda for focusing on trivia, not the major issue.
His close concentrating on the inconsistencies in Zimmerman's statement, that's not what this case is about. It's about that a young 17-year-old boy was shot to death when he had done nothing wrong and didn't have a firearm. That's what it's all about, but the state never made it about that.
No justice! Pastor David Hampton of Light of the World Christian Church organized a peaceful protest at the time of the shooting last year. Hampton says he would accept a manslaughter conviction, but believes a complete acquittal would be a miscarriage of justice. He says he's reaching out to the community to promote peaceful protest.
There's no need for violence to perpetuate itself. Here in the city of Indianapolis, we want to try to stop the violence, especially among our young people. And so I would send a message of nonviolence. It's got to stop at some point.
The city's Homeland Security Chief, Gary Coons, says police have developed plans but won't reveal them.
We always have plans. I mean, I'm not going to mislead anyone. We always have plans for anything that could happen one way or another. And we know that people will be angry if certain things happen, but we're asking you to stay very calm and keep the peace.
Coons rejects the idea that the convergence of this verdict and the opening of Black Expo's summer celebration constitute a danger. He says Expo is a family event that should have nothing to do with the Zimmerman case. I'm Norman Cox, RTV6.